Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Monday, the Nifty, which is India's benchmark index, reached a new record high of 20,000 plus. It marks a significant moment for the Indian market. It took nearly 6 years for the Nifty to surpass the level of 20,000 from the level of 10,000, which is a doubling of its value. This growth is a positive indicator for riskier asset class like equity. So the overall momentum of the market is very much on the positive side, and it's a broad-based rally that again we witnessed on Monday. Almost all the sectors including pharma, FMCG, auto, technology, banks, all these sectors participated in the rally towards or beyond the levels of 20,000. So the overall momentum and the overall formation of the market is showing a lot of specific participation from the retailers, and the strategy should be to look for adding position if there is any correction during the day. About 20,000, the next level to watch out for would be 20,100, 20,175 based on extensions. If we see any correction in the market, then close to 19,900, we are expecting market to find support, and between 19,900 to 850, we should look for adding long positions with a short-term view. We can keep stop loss at 19,800 for the same, because below 19,800 we can expect weakness in the market, which will send the market maybe to 19,650 or 600 levels. So we are not expecting any major correction, but yes, if it breaks the levels of 19,800, then the correction will extend. But on the higher side, as we mentioned, 20,100, 175 should be the next levels to watch out for. And the way the market has surpassed its swing high on weekly, monthly basis, now the next level to watch out for would be 20,400, 20,500. So between these levels, now we are expecting market to find some resistance. An ideal strategy should be to look for reducing exposure in the equity, because it's a retracement of nearly 2,000 points from the lows, and whenever we see such type of retracement without any major correction, it becomes very difficult for the market to sustain at higher levels. So that's the reason we need to be careful, at least while adding long positions at 20,100 levels. It is better if we reduce our exposure to the equity, but if there is any correction, then we should look for adding those stocks which are really good in terms of their quality of management. For the bank Nifty, 45,800, 45,900 would be the resistance level, and on the downside 45,400, 45,300 would be support area. For the Nifty IT index, 33,000 will now act as resistance, and 32,500 or 400 would be the support zone. On Monday, we saw some activity in PSU banks as well as in pharma companies, and in that space, as we mentioned in the past, most of the time that we like Canara Bank, which did extremely well on Monday. It was up nearly 6-7%. We are of the view that it is heading for the levels of 400 in the next few months. So based on fundamentals, the target is close to 400, but we are expecting it is moving gradually toward those levels. Bank of Baroda is also showing some strength, and it is heading for the levels of 210. Punjab National Bank is very close to its crucial resistance level of 70. Above that, the chances of hitting 77, 78 would turn bright. And for State Bank of India, 600 will be the resistance, and above that 620. So these are the levels which we can keep on the watch list, and Based on the target, we can look for taking position in these stocks. From the pharma space, Sun Pharma did well. It was around 1135 above the pivot level. The next pivot level would be around 1170 and next 1200. Support for the stock is at 1100. And finally, if we go through with few FMCG companies, because now they are very close to their important support levels, and currently they are not participating in the up move mainly because of the weakness in the crude prices. Overall very strong momentum in the crude prices. So that's the reason these FMCG stocks are not participating. But yes, Hindustan Lever is a candidate to buy and hold. With a medium term view, we can expect 2800 on the higher side based on fundamentals, and also we like Britannia, which is around 4500 levels. There also the target is close to 4800. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you. Have a great day to all of you.